Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to make special tapioca jelly summer drink. It is a very delicious recipe and it is also a healthy one. Let's start. First boil some water and then add in 2 packets of jelly. Cook until it boils. Now once it's done, take it out in any dish and just freeze it for 1 hour. Let's move to the next step. So these are the ingredients: 1 mango, the jelly, 1 liter milk, half cup poppy seeds, sliced nuts and sabudana. Now the jelly that we froze earlier, cut it into the cubes. Now let's start preparing. First take a jug and add some ice. Add all the ingredients level by level as shown in the video. Now decorate and serve it in a glass. Our tasty tapioca drink is ready to drink. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.